Welcome to YouTube, and today we've got something truly special lined up for all the automotive and travel lovers out there. We're diving into the world of high-end luxury on wheels, and not just any wheels. This is the 2026 Mercedes Luxury Motorhome, a rolling mansion that redefines road trips and brings first-class living to the open highway. Whether you're a seasoned RV enthusiast or someone who dreams of turning the world into your backyard, this is a vehicle that commands attention, and today, we're putting it head-to-head in our exclusive luxury motorhome competition. Let's talk design first. The 2026 Mercedes Luxury Motorhome blends futuristic aesthetics with elegant lines that are unmistakably Mercedes. From the signature LED lighting to the aerodynamic shape, this motorhome doesn't just drive, it glides. The massive panoramic windows bring the outside world in, and the sleek chrome accents give it the executive finish you'd expect from a brand like Mercedes-Benz. But the real magic is on the inside. Step through the automated entryway, and you're greeted with a cabin that rivals five-star hotels. The interior is finished in genuine leather, real wood veneers, and high-end polished surfaces. Ambient lighting adjusts automatically based on time of day or your mood, and the climate control system ensures comfort in any weather. A fully equipped smart kitchen, luxury master bedroom with a queen-sized bed, and a spacious bathroom with a rainfall shower make this motorhome feel more like a penthouse suite than a vehicle. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes motorhome features a powerful yet whisper-quiet hybrid diesel-electric powertrain. It offers incredible torque for effortless highway cruising and a surprising amount of efficiency for a vehicle of this size. Adaptive air suspension guarantees a smooth ride, no matter the terrain, and Mercedes' latest autonomous driving tech lets you sit back and relax while the vehicle handles long stretches of road with ease. Now, in this competition, we're comparing this marvel with other luxury motorhomes in its class, but let's be honest, the 2026 Mercedes stands out. It's not just about specs or comfort, it's about the experience. The onboard AI system learns your preferences, sets your routes, syncs with your calendar, and even suggests scenic detours. You've got satellite internet, 5G connectivity, a digital home office, and a 55-inch retractable cinema screen, making work or play on the road seamless and immersive. This is more than a vehicle. It's freedom. It's status. It's Mercedes' answer to the question, what if your vacation never had to end? So stick around as we put the 2026 Mercedes Luxury Motorhome through its paces, compare it against its toughest competition, and find out, is this truly the king of luxury motorhomes? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what comes next.